Welcome to New This Week at EEWeb in partnership with Mouser, where each week we feature some new and interesting products. This week we'll cover an Analog Devices dual 16-bit ADC, STMicro's SR2 switch ICs, and Cypress PSoC 4 prototyping kits. The Analog Devices AD9652 dual 16-bit ADC is designed for high-speed signal processing applications requiring high dynamic range and a wide input frequency range. On-chip buffers and an internal reference simplify interfacing to the two ADC cores, which sample at up to 310 megasamples per second and achieve a high signal-to-noise ratio and spurious-free dynamic range. Data from the two channels is interleaved onto a 16-bit DDR LVDS output. The AD9652 is controlled via an SPI interface and is driven by a differential clock with an integrated clock divider and duty cycle stabilizer. The AD9652 is ideal for applications in military radar and communications, 3G and 4G receivers, and instrumentation. STMicro SR2 switch ICs provide designers with flexibility in addressing the challenge of interface design in wearables, smartwatches, and other small devices. The SR2 includes two smart reset inputs with a delayed setup time and can be configured in single or dual button implementations. This allows short button presses to be ignored or be detected by the MCU to drive other functionality, while pressing and holding the buttons will trigger the SR2 to reset the MCU. This eliminates the need for a dedicated reset button and ensures safe reset functionality. The SR2 operates from 1.65 to 5.5 volts, consumes only 1.5 microamps of current, and is available with multiple options for setup delay and reset timeout. Cypress PSoC 4 CY8 CKit 049 prototyping kits are a low-cost option to quickly start development with the ARM Cortex M0-based PSoC 4 device family. Leveraging Cypress's mixed-signal hardware IP portfolio, the PSoC 4 family features programmable logic, communication, and high-performance analog blocks. The kit includes a USB to serial controller to interface to the PSoC 4 device, capacitors to enable CapSense development and ensure high-quality ADC conversions, and headers for all PSoC 4 IOs, allowing developers complete flexibility to connect additional hardware for their prototyping work. Thanks for joining us this week. You can find all of this week's products at Mouser.com.